So nag-crave kami ng asawa ko ng hot pot. Share ko lang na may bagong Japanese hot pot restaurant dito sa Iloilo. We were invited by Nabe to try their unlimited Japanese hot pot. They will make a grand opening on November 8, Friday. May promo pala sila for that day na for only 1 peso, you will get unlimited hot pot. This is only for the first 50 customers. 300 pesos naman if pang 51st customers onwards. The line will start at 10 a.m. and this promo is only valid on November 8. If di naman kayo nakapunta sa grand opening nila, yung regular rate ng unlimited hotpot is 588 pesos from Monday to Thursday, while 688 pesos naman from Friday to Sunday and holidays. Additional 288 pesos naman if mag-upgrade ka ng mga meals nila. They are located at ground floor, North Grove, Iloilo City. Google Maps nyo na lang at maraming parking space available. If mag-commute naman kayo, from SM City, Iloilo, sakay lang kayo ng minibus going to Mohon and pababa na lang kayo sa North Grove. Napaka-spacious ng restaurant, maganda yung interior, malinis, and ang comfortable. May second floor din sila na may room for large groups. If mag-order na kayo, may bibigay sa inyo na test paper and check nyo lang yung lahat ng gusto nyo and hand it over lang sa mga staff para i-ready na to. First, we have to choose 2 soups. You have a lot of options to choose from. We pick one of their best sellers which are Tantan na mild spicy and Tonkatsu which recommend sa amin if non-spicy ang prefer nyo. Mag-pick naman tayo nun ng meats. Yes naman, lahat yan unlimited, which are dumplings, chicken, pork, and beef. I must say quality and premium na mga meats nila. They also have a lot of options for vegetables. Meron din silang mushrooms, tofu, egg, noodles, and rice. At syempre di mawawala ang mga premium bowls. Lahat yan only. Orderin nyo din tong Wagyu rice, sobrang namit. Now for the additional plus 288 upgrade, you will have different kinds of maki rolls, which are Nabe roll, Crazy Maki, Ikura Maki, California Maki, Kani, at Tempura Maki. Tinry namin lahat yan at lahat masarap. Legit. Yung personal favorite ko dito is yung Tempura Maki at Nabe roll. A must try lahat ng mga maki rolls nila. Kasama din sa 288 plus upgrade nila are Angus beef, gyudon, chicken teriyaki, karage, dynamite chicken, fried chicken wings, gyoza, ebi tempura, at butabara. Hindi namin na-try lahat kasi sobrang busog na kami ng asawa ko. Kung ako sa inyo, orderin nyo lahat at sulitin to. Namit ang chicken teriyaki at tempura nila. For the sauce naman, meron din naman silang mga standard sauces na binibigay, but you can customize your own sa self-service station. May mga steps doon on how to create a Nabe dipping sauce. Sa drinks naman, may iced tea na sobrang refreshing at lasang-lasa mo yung tea niya. You can also adjust the temperature ng hot pot to your liking. Overall, it was a great dining experience. Sobrang approachable at friendly ng mga staff nila. At sila magwa-walkthrough suggest ng mga o-orderin. Thank you Nabe for inviting us. Kaya bibigyan namin ang Nabe Unlimited Hot Pot ng 5 out of 5 stars. Tag nyo naman lilibre sa inyo sa Nabe. Tara, G! Namit, gid!